Hey guys, so today I got this new white noise machine maker from Brilnurse. It's pretty awesome, so let's go and check it out. So inside the box, you get your machine, you get your USB-C cable that you just plug in to the wall here, and you plug into the back, and it also comes with your instructions. In the back here is where you plug in your USB-C. You can also connect earbuds or headphones so you can listen to it more personally. And right here's the timer, so you can set it for 30 minutes, an hour, or to just go all night on an infinite loop. So yeah, let's go plug it in and see how it works. This is the power button to turn it on and off. These are the volume controls. This is up and this is down. This button changes the tune of the sound. And this button changes to whatever sound you prefer. This device comes with 30 different soothing sounds and 36 levels of volume control.